Hello students, welcome back to the Panchayat classes Matthew. Yes, I am AMK. I am going to discuss an important topic today of class 12 physics, chapter ray optics and optical instrument. Now, I would like to discuss the relation between U, V and F, that is object distance, image distance and focal length. I will make the relation established using geometry. Okay, listen carefully. You must use geometry to establish the relation 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. For that, you must have knowledge of geometry. Okay, let's start the discussion. I would like to discuss this as a whole, huh, in a brief, right? Uh, I will going to consider a spherical mirror, that is concave mirror. Here is the concave mirror. Here is the concave mirror. And this is the pole. Okay. Now I am going to consider a point object on principal axis. Suppose at point O is a point object. At point O, I have considered a point object, and a ray incident on the mirror like this. After reflection, this ray will be passed through another point, that is I. Okay, here the image will be formed at point I, right? Then this is the image distance. V, and this is the object distance. Students, from distance point O to the P, is the object distance, right? And now another point C. This this ray this ray will bisect the angle OAI. Okay, ray AC bisect the angle OAI, and this is, suppose this is angle theta, and an angle created by the incident ray with the principal axis is supposed to be alpha, and this ray AC created the angle supposed to be beta, and this angle is gamma, which is very important for my discussion. Students, CA divides angle OAC, that is CA. C is the center of curvature. C will be the center of curvature of this spherical mirror. Therefore, this is the distance R. This is the distance R. Now I can start the discussion. Now I can start the proof of 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Here OA is a ray. 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 O incident at point A. After reflection, incident ray will pass through point O, and image will be formed at point I. Image will be formed at point I. The angle created by OA is angle OAP is equal to alpha, angle ACP is equal to beta, and angle AIP is equal to gamma. This is my assumption, right? Now I will going to discuss it briefly. Students, suppose I will consider a triangle OAI. From triangle from triangle from triangle from triangle OAI, I am going to use the external angle property, external angle sum property. See, OA from the triangle OAC, this angle is external angle and this two angle is internal angle. Here is another thing, angle OAI is equal to twice theta. Therefore, angle CAI will be theta. Because CA divides angle A. It means CA bisect angle A. It is from the laws of reflection. According to the laws of reflection, incident angle is equal to the angle of reflection. This incident angle, this is perpendicular, this incident angle is equal to this angle of reflection. Therefore, this two angle is equal. Huh? Now, from the external angle sum property, this angle is equal to sum of these two angles, right? Angle gamma is equal to alpha plus twice theta. This is equation number 1. Again, from the triangle, again I am going to consider triangle OAC. From triangle OAC. From triangle OAC, this angle is external angle. This angle is external angle. Therefore, angle beta will equal to the sum of theta plus alpha. Therefore, beta is equal to alpha plus theta. Right? Now, what I will do, I am going to eliminate theta from these two equations. How can I do this? I am going to multiply equation number 2 by 2, these two. Equation 2 into 2 implies twice beta is equal to twice alpha minus twice theta, and this is equation number 3. Students, listen carefully. This is very interesting and this is very important also. It is very, very important also. This expression asked in the previous year's examination also. Assam Higher Secondary Examination as well as in CBSE board examination. So it is one of the most important expression for you, right? Now, what will I do? I am going to subtract equation 2 from 3. Now, equation 3 minus 1 implies twice beta minus gamma twice beta minus gamma is equal to twice alpha minus alpha twice alpha minus alpha twice beta minus gamma twice alpha minus alpha plus twice theta minus twice theta. These two will be eliminated. Now twice beta minus gamma is equal to alpha. This implies beta is equal to twice beta is equal to alpha plus gamma. This expression, this term is very important for my discussion. Twice beta is equal to alpha plus gamma is very important for my discussion. Okay, therefore I will write this above top of the board. Okay, I am going to erase this. Students, twice beta is equal to alpha plus gamma. Suppose it is equation number 4. Consider it as equation number 4. Now what will I do? Now see, suppose point A is very much close to the P, then this will be a perpendicular. AP will be a perpendicular, right? Then I am going to consider right angle triangle AOP. If A is close to this, don't forget to write A is close to P. If A is close to P, if A is close to P, now then so I am going to use this from triangle AOP. AOP is equal to from triangle AOP, alpha is approximately equal to the AP by OP. As because it is approximate value, it is because position of the object will be varied, right? Position of the object will be varied. But C is constant. C is not variable. It is because center of curvature is constant of a spherical mirror. That is why beta is equal to, for beta it will be from triangle ACP. Now beta is equal to AP by CP, and again from triangle AIP, gamma is approximately equal to AP by IP. I just use the trigonometric ratio tan theta. Tan alpha, you can obtain this tan alpha, tan beta, tan gamma. Use this, right? Now, from the equation number 4, from 4, I will have twice beta, 2 into beta is equal to AP by CP. Okay? Alpha is approximately equal to AP by OP, and plus gamma is approximately equal to AP by IP. Now students, AP will be eliminated from both the side of the equation, right? both the side of the equation. After elimination of AP, this equation become 2 by 2 by CP is equal to 1 by OP plus 1 by IP. Here is another important thing. Listen carefully. Object distance is considered to be left of the mirror. Image distance is considered to be left of the mirror, and focal length is also considered to be left of the mirror. That is, therefore, radius of curvature will be left of the mirror also. So from here, I will took OP is equal to minus U. OP is equal to minus U. CP is the radius of curvature of the spherical mirror, that is concave mirror, that is minus R, and IP, image distance, is also minus P. I will substitute this value here to get the expression right. 2 by CP is minus R, 1 by OP is minus U, 1 by IP is minus V. Then minus will be eliminated again. If I multiply minus in both the equation, both side of the equation, then it is become 2 by R is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Okay. Now from here, students, from here, this can be written as 1 by R by T is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Is implies half of radius of curvature is focal length. Half of radius of curvature is focal length is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. That is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. This is my expression. This is my expression what I want to prove using geometry. This is called geometrical optics. This is called geometrical optics because I use geometry to prove or to establish the relation between U, V and F. You will use this mirror formula to solve various types of problems in case of whether it is a concave mirror or spherical mirror, or concave mirror or convex mirror, no matter. You can use this in both the mirrors, this formula. Okay. This is important. It is very, very important relation. This relation is asked to establish in various types of competitive exam also, is in Assam Higher Secondary Board also, and CBSE board exam also. So I hope this video will help you to establish the relation correctly and use this geometrical interpretation for your proof. Okay. I hope this video will help you. Again, I will shortly come with another video of prism, that is angle of deviation, about the angle of deviation and minimum deviation. Angle of minimum deviation. What are the conditions? What are the conditions of minimum angle of deviation of a prism, and expression of the angle of deviation? How to obtain the expression of the angle of deviation? Okay. So I hope you all my students will stay connect with me. Okay. Bye.